Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm incredibly excited to show you the all-new 2026 BYD Song Plus, and honestly, this thing has completely impressed me. If you're thinking about your next vehicle purchase, you absolutely need to stick around because this Chinese SUV is turning heads and making serious waves globally. So let's jump right in. The moment I laid eyes on this thing, I was like, wow, BYD really nailed the design. The front fascia is bold with these sleek LED headlights that have this modern, sophisticated look. The body lines flow so smoothly, giving it this premium presence that definitely punches above its weight class. The dual-tone color options available make it look absolutely stunning in person, way better than in photos. The chrome accents and that sculpted hood really give it character. The wheels are genuinely beautiful with this multi-spoke design, and the overall proportion just feels right, you know. It's not trying too hard, but it's definitely turning people's heads on the street. Now, walking around the car, the first thing that jumps out is the build quality. The gaps between panels are impressively tight, and the paint feels thick. The side profile is incredibly clean with that trendy coupe-style roofline that slopes towards the rear, which looks absolutely killer. The black window trim and roof rails add that premium touch. Moving to the back, the tail lights are fantastic. They're wide, modern, and have this cool light signature that you'll definitely recognize at night. Inside, I'm genuinely blown away. The cabin feels like it belongs in a car twice the price. You've got this really nice dashboard with excellent material quality, soft touch plastics, and wood grain accents that look sophisticated. The steering wheel is perfectly weighted, and the seats are incredibly comfortable with excellent support. There's plenty of legroom, and the trunk space is seriously generous. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with light, making everything feel airy and open. The infotainment system is crystal clear with a responsive touch interface, and it's got all the connectivity you'd expect: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a decent voice assistant system. Performance-wise, the 2026 Song Plus is powered by a capable engine that delivers smooth acceleration without feeling sluggish. The ride quality is genuinely composed, handling bumps beautifully while keeping body roll controlled during corners. It's not a sports car, but it's definitely engaging enough for everyday driving. The steering has good feedback, and overall, it feels planted and stable. For technology and safety, this car is loaded. You're getting multiple airbags, ESC, hill start assist, and decent driver assistance features. The tech suite includes parking sensors, a reversing camera, and connectivity features that work seamlessly. Looking at pricing, the 2026 Song Plus is incredibly competitive, sitting comfortably under $30,000 for the fully loaded version. Compared to rivals like the Volkswagen T-Cross or Kia Niro, you're getting more features and better interior quality for similar money. Here's my verdict: this is genuinely one of the best value SUVs in the market right now. BYD has created something special here that's both practical and desirable. If you're shopping for an SUV, this absolutely deserves your attention. If you found this helpful, please hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments, would you consider the Song Plus? Thanks for watching.